In the world of automotive customization, few names resonate as strongly as T-Demand. This Japanese tuning company has built a reputation for transforming everyday vehicles into head-turning machines. Their latest project? The Toyota Crown Signia, a model that has traditionally leaned towards the SUV aesthetic. However, T-Demand, in collaboration with Man's Factory, has reimagined this vehicle, turning it into a low-slung, performance-oriented wagon that challenges conventional perceptions. The Toyota Crown Signia, known as the Crown Estate in Japan, is a hybrid vehicle that combines luxury with efficiency. Under the hood, it boasts a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with dual electric motors, delivering a combined output of 243 horsepower. This powertrain is mated to an electronic CVT, providing a smooth and responsive driving experience. The vehicle's design has always been elegant, but T-Demand's modifications take it to a whole new level. The most striking change is the installation of a full air suspension system. This setup allows the vehicle's ride height to be adjusted, enabling it to sit significantly lower than the stock version. The air suspension is complemented by new suspension arms and dampers, ensuring that the vehicle maintains its handling characteristics while achieving a more aggressive stance. Accompanying the suspension upgrades are 21-inch SSR wheels. These wheels are wider than the stock units and are wrapped in low-profile tires, enhancing the vehicle's grip and cornering capabilities. The combination of the lowered stance and wider wheels gives the Crown Signia a sporty and dynamic appearance, reminiscent of European performance wagons. To further enhance its performance, T-Demand has equipped the vehicle with larger 380mm brake discs and high-performance calipers. These upgrades ensure that the Crown Signia can handle the increased demands of spirited driving, providing ample stopping power when needed. Despite these significant modifications, the vehicle's hybrid powertrain remains unchanged. The 2.5-liter engine continues to deliver a combined output of 243 horsepower, providing a balance of performance and efficiency. The all-wheel drive system ensures that power is distributed effectively, offering confident handling in various driving conditions. Inside, the Crown Signia retains its luxurious features. The cabin is adorned with high-quality materials, and the layout remains driver-focused. The infotainment system is intuitive, and the seats offer comfort for long drives. While the focus has shifted towards performance, the vehicle does not compromise on the comfort and luxury expected from a Toyota Crown. The cost of these modifications is not insignificant. The air suspension system alone is priced at 1,128,000 yen, approximately $7,835, excluding taxes. When combined with the cost of the donor vehicle, which starts at 6,350,000 yen in Japan, the total investment becomes substantial. However, for enthusiasts seeking a unique and performance-oriented version of the Crown Signia, this transformation offers a compelling proposition. T-Demand's work on the Toyota Crown Signia exemplifies the company's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive customization. By taking a vehicle that was originally designed with a high-riding SUV aesthetic and transforming it into a low-slung performance wagon, they have created a one-of-a-kind machine that stands out in the automotive world. This project also highlights the growing trend of hybrid vehicles being embraced by the tuning community. As hybrid technology continues to evolve, tuners are finding innovative ways to enhance the performance and aesthetics of these vehicles, proving that eco-friendly doesn't have to mean boring. In conclusion, T-Demand's transformation of the Toyota Crown Signia into a performance wagon is a testament to the possibilities of automotive customization. It challenges traditional notions of what a hybrid vehicle can be, offering a blend of luxury, performance, and efficiency. For those seeking a unique driving experience, this modified Crown Signia presents an intriguing option.